catch me every day, getting high off this pub deal money, or sitting back, taking in what the world's got for me. It's so funny, I'm driving fast, hoping that I never crash. It's only been a year, but I thought that this would never last. We smile, share a couple laughs. I used to do the Shakespeare competitions, I just hope that they listen when I'm talking. I hope they recognize me when I walk in. I wanted niggas to hear me way before they saw me. I don't respond to every tweet, I think that shit is corny, but I'm showing love to everyone that loves and supports me. And all these girls back from high school, all of a sudden wanna hit me up. I went to school, I kinda liked it, but I had to give it up. I can sit in class or I can live it up. Two ways and I chose the uncommon, the subtle beauty of vending machines and ramen noodles I had gotten used to. Strings you already know, girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Damn, you got your whole life planned out. Basically, I was always a standout. You the type that always got your hand out. I was the type to doodle on a handout. Fuck homework, how I'ma be the man now. It's kinda sad cause shorty show me love, but without all the drugs, I'm pretty sure she can't smile. Strings you already know, girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Top down, riding through my city like I'm hot now. I'm popping like that champagne cap. We at the club popping champagne caps. Plus I rap good, man, you can't change that. It's looking sunny in the future, and that's just my opinion. And dropping out of school, man, that's just my decision. People ask me why I'm not fucking ecstatic. This is not what I envision. So find me a nice crib I can live in, or a pool of women I can swim in. I'd rather never finish what I start than never start what I can finish. Keep your head down. Dude, can you freestyle? Do groupies give you head now? So you went to school, but you're doing this instead now? These debit dudes never give me cred now. Strings you already know, girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Strings you already know, girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up.